Woman planning a revenge on her cheating ex-boyfriend. To sum it all up, my ex cheated on me with another woman. I don't know if the girl knows, but heck, I'm planning to ruin him. I went to see him in Korea twice. We planned our future, and he even asked me to stay, but I couldn't since all I had was a tourist visa and I was not planning on being an illegal immigrant. So here is my plan on how I will get back at my cheating ex. I'm trying to talk to the girl he messed around with, but I only know her TikTok account, which is private, and I can't message her or mention her at all. I tried following her, but she's not accepting my follow request. I will report my ex to the Korean immigration. He's an illegal immigrant there. I still don't know how to contact the immigration, but I will find a way. I want to hurt him 10 times more than what he's done. I know this isn't a full-blown revenge story yet, but I'm working on it. Edit. I think I'm on the wrong sub. People are telling me to just move on. Please don't tell me how to grieve. How to handle all the pain I'm going through. But I appreciate Redditors who are genuinely concerned about the possible repercussions of what I'm about to do. I've told him a lot of times that the person I've been with before him cheated on me, and it was traumatic. I've been single for 5 years ever since. Then I risked it all again with him only to end up in the same a-hole. So no, I'm not going to take the high road this time.
Well guys, OP is adamant that she wants her cheating ex-boyfriend to pay for betraying her trust, love and vulnerability with him. I would advise her against it like others have, but some people just want to get even to feel better or to get a sense of closure. I was in that dark spot once before. It never included ruining my cheating ex-life, but I did get her to cheat back on the guy she cheated on me with, which felt satisfying, and today I can look back and laugh at how everything went down. However, OP could end up being a bigger villain in her ex's story, and she is not sure how he will react because some people do not take such sabotage lightly, because this is certainly on a whole different scale. Nevertheless, I hope OP doesn't do something she might regret down the road. Anyway guys, what do you think about this revenge story? Have you ever gotten cheated on? How did you find out, and what did you do thereafter? Let us know in the comment section below, and please, for me, subscribe to the channel for more stories like this one, and like the video to help push it out to others who will like it. We have another story to cover titled, "Woman Made a Big Mistake When She Was Younger, But Now They Want Revenge."
Dear Pastor, I have been struggling for years. Unfortunately, I did something a few years ago that got some people in trouble with the law. I was only a teenager, and I have never again been in a situation of that nature. Years have passed, and these people want revenge. I have changed my life for the better, and I want to forget about the past. My life was never easy. I was neglected by my father, and my mother had to raise me by herself, and she had it hard. If I did anything wrong, I would get a beating with anything she could find, including a water hose. I struggle each day to keep a clear head, but it is not easy. Please remember me in your prayers, as there is a lot more to the story than what I have written. Keep up the good work, and God bless you. Struggler, USA.
Dear Struggler, you have not given a hint about what you did many years ago that is causing you to be facing so many threats from those who believe that you have done them wrong. I can only encourage you to pray and ask God for protection while you try to protect yourself. I can also assure you of my prayers on your behalf. Pastor.
Well guys, this writer never went in detail, so it is hard to tell what she has done, but anything that has to do with the law, I will assume was serious business, which means those people who are after her must have felt like she was the one who got them caught. Normally, when that happens, in the streets, that is a delete sentence. I really hope this writer gets help, because while prayer does help, faith without works is death, as the good book says. But guys, have you ever been in bad company before and your past seems to come back to haunt you? This is why many people believe that the past matters, because even if you changed your life and let go of the past, depending on what you did in the past, you cannot escape the consequences of it. Also, there is a thing called karma or straight up revenge, and a lot of people are revengeful, so that is why mixing up in bad company hardly ever ends well. But what do you think? Share your thoughts, and remember to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Love.